good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 12 from verse 20 to verse 36. Jesus say him go dead. No, you did have some Greek people where did amongst them, where did they Jerusalem for the Passover holiday for praise God. Them go to Philip, where they come from Bethsaida in Galilee, and they said to him, say, we would have liked if we could have seen Jesus, sir. Philip then go tell Andrew, and the two of them go tell Jesus. Jesus said to them, say, the time come for God show how the man where God pick, big and powerful. Me I tell you for true, if one wheat seed not drop a ground and dead and rotten, it ever go turn one wheat seed. But if it get fit dead and rotten, it grow and bear enough other seed. The somebody will love him life too much, I go lose it. But the one when hang on pan their life in other world, I go get to keep it forever. Anybody will want to serve me, have to follow me. Anyway me there, them I go there too. And my father, I go big them up. My heart heavy right now. And when me first say, Father, no make me go through the separation, yeah? No. I feel that say the reason yeah me come in the world. If go through the separation where I come. Father, big up yourself and your name. Then, one voice from out of the sky say, me big it up already. I'm going to big it up another time. The crowd of people where they did it, and hear the voice say, a roll thunder did roll. Other people say, an angel did talk to him. Jesus say, I know for me, but I feel for no owner good, I couldn't get to hear the voice. At the time now, when God going to judge the people them way in the world, and now the ruler for the world are going to get fling out. And me, when me get lift up off of the earth, me going to make everybody come to me. Him said this have to make them know how him did go dead. So the crowd said to him, say, the Lord tell we say, the Christ going to stay forever. So how you talk about the man where God pick, I go get lift up? Who are this man where God pick? Then Jesus said to them, say, we no go have the light, we don't for only a little bit longer. Walk when you not have the light before the darkness taking over. Somebody will walk in a darkness, don't know which part him go. Trust in the one where get light while you not have him, we don't know. Trust in him so you can be people who belong to the light. After Jesus done talk, him left go hide himself from the crowd. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.